Oh my goodness, it's another incredibly beautiful day at Camp Ocean Pines. I'm setting up for my annual quilting retreat in the pine trees on the ocean. Look at this, it's gonna be just incredible. I always forget to do a little before, so let's get in here and show you what the room looks like. Incredible lodge we have here for sewing and out these beautiful bright windows. Let me see if I can get us a little closer. Oh, there it is, the Pacific Ocean. And there's the deck, these wonderful tables. So if we do any sewing, fits in here, but most of us just enjoy the incredible scenery and the food and the fellowship. It's gonna be a great weekend. But it's hot. I have half of a vehicle to still unload and I am running low on time. So I'll be back in a little bit once everybody gets here, folks. As you can see, I still have a bit of work to do in front of me. 1 hour till all the guests arrive. We've got the quilts up. I've got to go set up one more building, but I want to show you this, and thanks again to Ben. We're sending out a cool little shadow blush bundle for everybody, the lookbook of the new fabrics, right? I got a sticker, water, name tags, and there's some of the new quilts here, over here, bird of paradise by the door, so it's gonna be a great event. And the campers have begun to arrive. I was done 40 minutes early and they arrived 30 minutes ago. So here we go.
620-mile drive.
That's right, you timed it perfect. Look at this cool sewing case.
Your pressing video.
This is Team Tiffany. Look at that. All those seams are wide open. You're being recorded, Mary.
Okay.
So don't say anything inappropriate. There she is, pressing away. Okay, it's about 7 a.m. Day 3. Getting ready to go down and meet up with the campers for the beach walk. Oh my gosh, my voice that just squeaked. Been talking and teaching a lot, having a great time. This is the upper view of the camp, the amphitheater. Hold still for a minute. Yeah, the lodge overlooks the Pacific Ocean, and yesterday we had some weather change, a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind. It was really fun to watch that happening over the ocean. And as I'm walking down the trail, let me show you what it looks like. That's the main lodge off there in the distance. They call it the Cameron Lodge after Chris and Rosemary Cameron. And this is one of my favorite things here, active area where they have a Harris hawk named Marvin, active bird. It's hard to see, but there's Marvin over there in the corner. So Chris caught him, raised him. They work school systems and things, programs to teach kids. And then I believe this is named Earl, the owl. He's a little more active this morning. Good morning, Earl. How you doing, buddy? Really neat. This is the backside of the Crafts Lodge where they have additional restrooms. And I've got several campers in here right now. Excuse me, not in the restrooms. Boy, it is early. You can see by the flag there's a light wind. Getting ready for our walk. Checking in. Good morning, campers.
Good morning.
Yes. Over in the bush, there's one vulture eating something, so that means, there he goes. Okay, the buffet's starting. Who's next?
If I were to do a Santa bucket hat. I was, you know what, when they talked about it, I was that's just
I prefer not.
Yeah, folks, so I really just encourage you to make sure you're connecting with a great quilting community. Make sure you're spending some time in person, because we can all learn from each other when all those fabrics come out and all that energy comes out. It's just a wonderful experience. You know, at Stitch in Heaven, we do all kinds of great bus trips. We do quilting cruises, we do expos and sewing academies. So we would love to be that quilting community for you. Make sure you come and visit us. Check out all the offerings we have for you here online. And again, thanks for letting me get out here and spend time in nature with a bunch of my quilting friends. Hope you enjoyed this little video.